This headstone belongs to Julian Matlock. Julian was born on December 16th, 1893, in Douglas County, Missouri. He was the first of 9 children born to Joseph and Annie Leroy Matlock. When Julian was born, his father was 21 and his mother was 27. His father, Joseph, was a farmer and his mother was a housewife. On the 1910 Jackson Township census, 16-year-old Julian listed he was a farmhand on his family farm and that he could read, write, and was attending school. Julian sadly passed away on December 9th, 1917, due to an accidental shooting. He was 1 week away from his 24th birthday. I found a newspaper article from St. Joseph, Missouri, dated December 11th, 1917, that stated a young man was killed instantly in St. Joseph on Sunday, December 9th, because a loaded revolver was being passed from one person to another. It is said that the weapon was to be offered for sale. The article doesn't state the victim's name, but given we know this is what Julian died from and that it happened on the exact day Julian died, I think this article was about him. There were other articles about accidental shootings, but none that matched the right date, or they listed the victims' names and it wasn't Julian. Joseph and Annie would lose 2 other sons besides Julian at a young age. They were infants and unnamed, and they are buried next to Julian and Annie. The other 6 children would live well into adulthood. Julian is buried at Yates Cemetery next to his grandparents, his mom, and his infant brothers. Including Julian's headstone, I also cleaned Annie's and his infant brother's headstones. Both of their videos have already been posted, and I will put links to their videos in the description below. So, this is the only photo I was able to find of Julian. This is a picture of Julian with his parents and 6 of his 8 siblings. The only siblings missing would have been the unnamed infants that passed away. Julian is the young man standing in the back behind his parents. Left to right are Rufus, Joseph holding Bertha, Arthur, Annie holding Daniel, and Thornton. Daniel is the baby in this photo, and he was their last child, born in January of 1910. So the photo was probably taken that year. Julian would have been 16 years old in this picture. And this is the photo I took before cleaning, and here's the photo I took of it 2 months later. When I went back, it did still have some dirt and debris that I needed to clean off of it again. So when I took this after shot, it was still drying from that second cleaning. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.